In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change picture position in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So first is you just need to open your Microsoft Word document. And as you can see, I have this picture from here. So how can you change the position of this one? So it's just very easy. You just have to select the picture. Now once you have selected the picture, you simply look at the tab at the top and then you will find the layout the layout option or the layout tab. And here you'll find position. Now, if you're not going to select the picture, the position option will be grayed out from here. So simply select the object or the picture and you'll find position. Click on this drop down and here you'll find a lot of options. So it's up to you. You can simply choose the like the object position from here, depending on your preference and your requirement. Okay, so that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.